So I know some of you guys recently have been having some issues with the cold starting on the 21 Yamaha Wolverine RMAXs. When they fire up, initially they'll die. Got to reprime the fuel pump, do a second start, and usually they fire right up and don't have any issues. So one of the issues that these machines are equipped with that don't help the cold start along with the high compression and the higher fuel requirements are the AIS systems. So what they do, they're an air injection system. They bring fresh air downstream into the motor, mainly a carb and smog requirement that a lot of the manufacturers are going to. So Weller here came out with a AIS block-off kit, which you can see they bring a nice little machined plate, include all the plugs and zip ties you need to cap off the ports. It's about 17 degrees here. Haven't fired this up yet. So just installed the block-off plate. I also have the Weller tune on the machine as well, so we're getting ready to go out and do a little riding here. So I'm gonna fire this up. Dead cold, been sitting for about a week now. We're gonna try to fire it up, no prime, and see how it goes. So you guys did hear it took a crank or two to fire up. However, it did fire right up. No issues, no die outs. So I'm curious to see how this does. Hopefully some of our colder weather has broken, but like I said, about 17 degrees here even with the sun out, a little windy, but the machine did fire up first try. So if you guys are interested, check out Weller's site. This is just my input on it. You guys are more than welcome to leave some comments on it and let me know what you think.